The heritage here at AME is that we're a German company. My father was born in Austria, and that's how we got in partnership with a lot of these German companies, because they knew my dad, knew the culture, knew the language. We've been with a lot of these companies, our partners now, for like over 40 years. You know, it's been a long-term relationship. My father has a lot of passion when it comes to the German culture and the heritage. The internship program is something that started in Austria. My dad's 88 years old, still comes into work every morning and so on, and he loves that interaction too. The apprenticeship program here is a 4-year program. You end up getting your machinist journeyman card. And we have a good family culture here, and I think that's what really makes them excel and want to be part of our team here. A lot of these employees, I grew up with them. And it's like a family, extension of their own family here at Advanced Machine. You learn a lot from people, through just working here, working with customers, and that's something you can't really get trained on.
Machine design is a huge part of our DNA, and that has really developed over the course of the entire 53 years we've been in business. The deeply rooted work ethic, I would say, and the manufacturing culture that, that existed and still exists in most of Europe came with them. In all areas of manufacturing, it's difficult to find good skilled people. Someone straight out of high school comes in, we have a pretty sound curriculum that we've developed in conjunction with the local chapter of the NTMA. This particular curriculum really suits what we do here. And, we look at 5-10 years down the road, and these young people that we just recently hired into our internship program, they're going to be the impact people of this department in 5 to 10 years from now. I have no doubt about it. Similar to the internship program, we have our apprenticeship program, which is much more established. This apprenticeship program is going to grow people that are going to, probably take my place, and there's many, many examples of that throughout our company. We sometimes hear the term here that we create careers, and it's true, we do create careers. When you've got 10, 20 years under your belt here, our company, our people, our culture, our customers, the type of parts that we make, you've really put yourself in a position to fill many spots. So just be patient, put in the work. When the time comes, you just need to be ready to step up. I call Advanced Machine, honestly, the land of opportunity. Our shop is clean, it's climate controlled, we have good lighting, we buy state-of-the-art equipment, we provide good tools, constantly addressing what the employee is going to need for him to be able to be successful at work, as well as starting and growing a family.
I knew I wanted to get in manufacturing. It was just on those lines. I wanted to be like everybody else, like an engineer, and I just fell into this role and I enjoyed what I did. What the apprenticeship taught me, it was the different machines, different parts, different departments. When you graduate the apprenticeship, they give you, the option of what you would like to pursue. And it came down to 2 options. It came down to what I enjoyed the most and what I was better, I guess. And grinding that's what it was for me. I enjoyed what I did, and it just made me want to pursue it more and get better at it. I was floating around in the grinding room. I was just kind of doing just a little bit of everything. The previous supervisor was running that department. He left, and I got the opportunity to run his machine to take on a bigger role. The last opportunity that I was given was to be the supervisor of the grinding room. I believe the apprenticeship opened doors for me, definitely. And the people that I met along the way, the great mentors that I got the pleasure to work with here. And yes, I got to know a lot of these guys that have become friends of mine, and I come to respect.